looks like we'll be having some green beans for dinner tonight. I've picked a few, but I can get some more. Stick these in here for now. Let's go see how our little cherry tomatoes are doing. Look at these tomato plants. I used Kelzyme. The turkeys approved. I used Kelzyme on my tomatoes this year. They are going crazy. Let's pick some to go on tonight's dinner. Pop those in there. You know, the peas are past their prime, but I can save these for next year. Usually my grandchildren come over and they pick some peas and they love eating them right out of the garden. We haven't had very many visits this year because of illness and such, but I can save these and plant them for next year. Well, excuse me. Let's go ahead and grab this. Let's go ahead and get this one. I know, don't worry. I'm not going to reach underneath you. You're okay. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. You silly toms. Good morning. So thank you for joining me here on my garden tour today. It's small, but it will provide just what we need this year.